What the food Friday?
That's a share like.
I put myself in some pickles before, but this is a classic. Before I disrespect my whole esophagus in it. What's in this? Sugar, natural flavor, silicon dioxide. Is that what they put in implants? Let's just crack it open and let's just see. Oh, oh my God! It smells like a ninth grader. After gym class. Let's take a piece and see what. It tastes like a expired Sour Patch Kid has been dipped in doo-doo. Save me, Jesus. What the food Friday? This